Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can share your Instagram post on your Snapchat story. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Instagram, and I'm going to go ahead into my profile. So let's just say I want to go ahead and share this post right here, right? So all I'm going to do is on the post, I'm going to tap on this triple dot icon right over here. And all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and tap on this button which says link, and the link of this post is going to be copied. So once you have copied your link, simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Finally, once you have done that, all you want to do is simply go ahead and get a photo, any photo you want. And now in order for you to go ahead and attach your Instagram post, all you're going to do is tap on this clip icon right over here, and now you're simply gonna go ahead and paste the link that you had copied. So once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the search button on your keyboard, and now it's gonna go ahead and load up the post for me. So all I'm going to do is tap on attach to snap, and now there is the link. So it is as simple as that. You can send the snap to whoever. And if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.